Where do you think you're going? If I can't have love, no one will.
Espresso, wait, calm down.
Don't go near Ballerina!
How ridiculous! Your boyfriend can't save you.
Espresso, stop, please don't kill me.
Goodbye.
No.
Ballerina! Yeah! Over my dead body!
Oh no, I can fight too. Take this.
Stars.
We beat her!
Come here.
Let go of me.
To the station!
Idiot! I'm innocent.
You better stay quiet.
Wow.
Ballerina?
So tell me, what did you want to ask?
Well, I wanted to ask if you'd marry me.
Oh, Capuchino, of course I do.
Ballerina, your dance partner is all ready.